Crockpot hot dog soup dinner. Crockpot hot dog soup dinner menu. Hot dogs, onion, carrot, broccoli, mushrooms, herbs and spices, and a savory tomato sauce garnished with fresh basil and whole grain mustard. Bread of choice. Equipment and all ingredients needed: 1 crock pot, 1 knife, 1 cutting board, 1 can opener, 1 ladle, 5 hot dogs, 1 large broccoli stalk, 1 medium carrot, 1/4 large white onion, 1 15-ounce can tomato sauce, 3 cups chicken broth, 1 cup chopped fresh mushrooms, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 tablespoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon dried garlic slivers, 1 teaspoon powdered coriander, 1 teaspoon powdered thyme, 1 teaspoon powdered sage, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1/2 teaspoon allspice. Optional: fresh basil sprigs, whole grain mustard. Bread of choice. Crockpot hot dog soup instructions. At least 8 hours prior to serving, rinse broccoli and carrot. Chop broccoli stalk, carrot, onion, and hot dogs into small chunks. Place in crockpot along with mushrooms. Crush garlic slivers and add to crockpot with pepper, thyme, sage, coriander, ginger, allspice, parsley, dried basil, syrup, tomato paste, tomato sauce, and broth. Combine, cover, and cook on low. When ready to serve, ladle into serving dish, rinse basil sprig, place in center of plated soup, and top with 2 small dollops of mustard as garnish. Serve. Happy eating! Island Fusion Food is a Just a Wife creation.